Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the buzzer speaker for sound on your phone. Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft or medium hard. We also need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure so that it first softens the dirt for us, making it easier to clean. And afterwards the alcohol will evaporate, leaving no trace behind. You can buy such a diffuser and brush as a set, Allegro, Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or especially gentle, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off for this operation. Never do anything on a phone that is turned on. We soak the brush thoroughly with alcohol. We hold the phone in our hand. Here we have the opening for the buzzer, and we clean this part with a steady motion in one direction. 10 strokes. Then do the same on the other side, 10 times 10 strokes. If the buzzer is very dirty, repeat this process. Repeat 2 to 3 times in each direction, so 30 to 40 strokes in each direction will be optimal to thoroughly clean the buzzer. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the buzzer, and then you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.